Hello, today we'll be talking about the Tyco ESFR RIS or Rapid Install Sprinkler. The Tyco ESFR RIS or Rapid Install Sprinkler is UL listed, FM approved. It is available in the ESFR 25 and the ESFR 22. This sprinkler only requires hand tightening. There's no need for tape or pipe dope. There's no need for tools. This prevents the worry for over torquing. The ESFR Rapid Install Sprinkler forms a watertight seal using a proprietary Tyco Rapid Seal technology. The performance requirements for the sprinkler are not changed. If you take a look at the data sheets, which we'll talk about here further for the ESFR 22 and 25, you'll gain more information. The connection method, however, has changed, which will affect the installation process for the better. TFP 327 includes information on the ESFR 22 Rapid Install Sprinkler. This can be found at tyco-fire.com. The SIN number is TY8220 K22.4 sprinkler, available in 165 degree Fahrenheit and 212 degree Fahrenheit temperature ratings. It utilizes a custom RIS thread. It is not an NPT or ISO. It utilizes the RIS welded fitting in 2-inch, 2.5, and 3-inch. This is a pendant sprinkler with a maximum working pressure of 175 psi. As you can see here, you can see the gasket material, which is a rapid install sprinkler technology that we have spoken about with a standard ESFR frame. The model ESFR 25 rapid install sprinkler information can be found at TFP 328. The sprinkler identification number is TY9220. It's a K25.2 sprinkler, also available in 165 degree Fahrenheit rating, as well as 212 degree Fahrenheit. This sprinkler also utilizes the custom RIS thread, available with the welded fitting at 2, 2.5 inch, and 3 inch. This is also a pendant sprinkler, rated at 175 psi. This image shows the rapid install sprinkler technology with a standard K25.2 ESFR sprinkler. The welded fittings shown below are for the Tyco RIS sprinkler. They are available in 2, 2.5, and 3 inch. It is important to realize that the threads are different than the standard threads of NPT. They are specific to the Tyco RIS sprinkler. The installation requirements are common to what we're typically used to in NFPA 13 or the applicable NFPA installation standard, as well as the FM Global loss prevention data sheets. Maximum slope of 2 and 12, maximum coverage of 100 square feet, a minimum coverage of 64 square feet, maximum spacing of 12 foot for building heights up to 30 feet, and 10 feet for building heights greater than 30 feet, minimum spacing of 8 feet, minimum clearance to commodity 36 inches to ensure a well-developed spray pattern, deflector to ceiling distance of 6 to 18 inches. The part numbers are listed here and can also be found in the technical data sheets that we have talked about prior. Again, this is available in 160 degree Fahrenheit as well as 212 degrees. The gaskets can also be ordered with the part numbers listed here. There's an alignment tool that we'll be talking about later on, the W-Type 41, which is just utilized to ensure proper alignment on the system. The ESFR 22 or 25 sprinkler is threaded into the RIS fitting by hand until the gasket makes initial contact. To make a watertight seal, the sprinkler is continued to be tightened by hand at a minimum of a half turn. The sprinkler can then be adjusted to align the frame arms to the branch line by hand or with the proper alignment tool. Be familiar with the appropriate technical data sheets, TFP 327 and TFP 328. Also ensure that the appropriate RIS fitting is welded properly to the system piping. We will now take a look at a demonstration of the installation of the RIS sprinkler. Inspect the sprinklers prior to installing. Ensure that the RIS gasket is present on the ESFR 22 and the ESFR 25 and positioned at the base of the threads near the flange. To achieve a sound weld between the pipe and the RIS fitting, ensure that the surfaces of the pipe and RIS fitting near the joint area are free from porosity and indentations. Remove all surface contaminants such as oil, grease, loose paint, and dirt particles from the joint area before welding. To avoid damaging the fusible link assembly during installation, ensure that the factory assembled link protector remains attached to the sprinkler and handle the sprinkler by the frame arms only. Use only the appropriate sprinkler alignment tool. Thread the ESFR 22 and 25 by hand into the RIS fitting until the RIS gasket makes initial contact as shown here. Continue to rotate the ESFR 22 or 25 by hand a minimum of a half turn through fully seating the sprinkler to produce a watertight seal, and adjust the sprinkler within the range to align the frame arms to the branch line. The alignment tool is the W-type 41. Again, this is just to ensure the alignment of the frame arms to the branch line. There is also an RIS welded fitting plug assembly, and you need to ensure that the cap is in place throughout the installation. Only adjust the sprinkler by hand with the frame arms. The benefit of utilizing the RIS is that you don't need any tools, no tape, no dope. You're going to save at least 30 seconds per sprinkler on installation. It is UL and FM approved, and this ultimately will save you money and time and headaches. This is not just another sprinkler. It's a better sprinkler in the sense that it is going to save time and money and headaches during installation. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to your local territory sales manager or reach out to the technical services department at techserve@jci.com via email. If you're looking for more online trainings, go to www.onlinetechexchange.com. Exchange is spelled without an E at the beginning, or email us at training@tycofp.com. Thank you.